Fellas, pay attention. Women don't just leave out of nowhere. Long before they walk away, they disconnect mentally, emotionally. And when that happens, you have lost her. Here are 5 signs she's done fighting. 1. Silence over arguments. She used to argue, plead, and fight for the relationship. Now, she's quiet. That's not peace, it's detachment. When a woman stops explaining, she's already checked out. 2. No more affection. Her touch is distant. Her kisses feel empty. The intimacy isn't missing because she's punishing you. It's because she doesn't feel it anymore. Love doesn't just stop, it fades when it's not nourished. 3. She's putting herself first. She's making plans without you, prioritizing her goals, her happiness, her people. You used to be part of that world. Now you are just in the background. 4. She's done fixing things. Remember when she used to beg to talk, pushed for counseling, tried to make things work? Now she doesn't. When a woman stopped trying to fix things, she already fixed her mind and leaving. 5. You feel like roommates, not partners. The conversations are shallow. The connection is gone. You don't share moments anymore, just space. By the time she's showing these signs, it's not about winning her back. It's about realizing how long she's been hurting in silence. Don't wait until she's gone to notice she already left.